Welcome to the Corey Chandler and Matt Hill Fishing Show. We're out here at beautiful Lake Arcadia on a sunny afternoon in late summer. This could not be more beautiful. Who doesn't like fishing on a day like this? What's the weather like right now, buddy?
I don't know, it's probably 85.
It's butter. It's butter.
It is.
He's throwing a rat in these trees, and we're going to catch some fish. Look at the form. This is how you do it. Fish hard, rip lips, enjoy your days. All right, I'm going back to fishing.